Time to weld on the Harley Davidson. Got the exhaust cover off. This thing is, the old welds are broken off, broken tacks. We're gonna slide this over, not weld the clamp itself, but we're gonna weld the clamp brace or the clamp bracket, just like that. All right, we got these pipe clamp clips or adapters, whatever you want to call them, tack welded back on there. And this is what it looks like with the pipe clamp. I know, fancy, right? But this is the cover for the exhaust. And without those clamp clips, it just rattles around. It turned out really nice, and there is a chrome finish on the outside. So if you're welding on the inside, you want to turn your heat way down. Now this is an aftermarket exhaust pipe clamp. The original exhaust clamp might look something like this. And again, most of the materials are 304 stainless steel. Most people prefer TIG welding the exhaust for the fine-tuning finish on chrome especially. But if the customer doesn't care about the exhaust pipe, it's going to get covered up anyway, then you might opt in for MIG welding. The pros of welding your exhaust pipe is you can customize it. Welding allows for custom mods and designs to be made to the exhaust pipe to suit your needs. Don't forget about durability. Welded exhaust pipes are generally more durable and longer lasting compared to clamped or bolted on connections. And performance. Welded exhaust pipes can provide a better exhaust flow, improve performance for the motorcycle. The cons of welded motorcycle exhaust is that skill is required. Not everybody has a welding machine, and it requires skill and experience. And if it's not done properly, you can actually ruin it or cause a weak point. And the cost. If you have to hire somebody else to weld it for you, it can be pretty expensive. But if you can do it yourself, you'll save a lot of money. And then, of course, there's liability. Once it's welded, it can be difficult to make any modifications, especially if you weld it in an area that is hard to grind out. Overall, the welded motorcycle exhaust pipe can offer several advantages in terms of customization, durability, and performance. But a simple pipe clamp bracket behind the chrome cover that no one's going to see, piece of cake. Now enjoy some welding exhaust fails.
Perfect.